The 2020-25 TWR Supercat is here to redefine what we think of when it comes to hypercar innovation. This bold creation from Tom Walkinshaw Racing combines cutting-edge technology, breathtaking performance, and a striking design that guarantees to turn heads. The Supercat isn't just another hypercar, it's a statement of engineering prowess and an ode to pushing boundaries. Today, we're diving into every detail that makes this car a masterpiece. Welcome to Odo's Snap. Let's start with the design. The Supercat flaunts a sleek aerodynamic body crafted entirely from lightweight carbon fiber. Its sharp lines, aggressive stance, and distinctive LED light signatures command attention. From the front splitter to the rear diffuser, every element has been meticulously designed to optimize airflow and downforce. The butterfly doors add a dramatic flair, ensuring that every entrance and exit is an event. The wheels, forged from aerospace-grade alloys, not only look stunning, but also enhance performance by reducing unsprung weight. Under the hood lies the heart of the Supercat, a beastly twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid powertrain. Producing an eye-watering 1,200 horsepower, this hypercar rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 230 miles per hour. The electric motor integrated into the hybrid system ensures instant torque delivery, while the advanced battery pack offers a usable electric-only range for short urban trips. TWR has fine-tuned this powertrain to deliver both blistering performance and surprising efficiency for a car of its class. The interior of the 2025 TWR Supercat is a blend of luxury and high-tech sophistication. It features a driver-featured cockpit with a minimalist yet premium layout. Carbon fiber and Alcantara dominate the cabin, with customizable ambient lighting that allows you to set the mood for every drive. A fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the central touchscreen offers intuitive control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. TWI has even included a unique AI driving assistant that adapts to your driving style, offering tips to enhance performance on the track or efficiency on the road. Handling and dynamics are where the Supercat truly shines. TWR has equipped the car with an advanced suspension system that includes adaptive dampers and active aerodynamics. This ensures razor-sharp handling whether you're carving through mountain roads or pushing the limits on a racetrack. The steering is precise, delivering excellent feedback to the driver. High-performance carbon ceramic brakes provide immense stopping power, ensuring you can rein in all that speed with confidence. With multiple drive modes, including a dedicated track setting, the Supercat offers a customizable driving experience that caters to every enthusiast's needs. Safety and connectivity haven't been overlooked in the Supercat's development. Despite its hypercar status, TWR has incorporated advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation systems. These technologies make the car as practical as it is thrilling. The Supercat also boasts seamless connectivity with 5G compatibility, over-the-air updates, and smartphone integration. Whether you're streaming your favorite playlist or tracking your lap times through the companion app, this car keeps you connected at all times. Production of the 2025 TWR Supercat will be extremely limited, with only 100 units planned worldwide. This exclusivity ensures that owning a Supercat isn't just about driving a hypercar, it's about being part of a select community of automotive enthusiasts. Each car will be hand-built to the owner's exact specifications, with endless customization options available to make every Supercat unique. The starting price, a cool $2.05 million, making it one of the most exclusive cars on the planet. The TWR Supercat isn't just a car, it's a vision of the future of performance and luxury, with its groundbreaking design, unparalleled performance, and state-of-the-art technology, it sets a new benchmark in the hypercar world. Whether you're a collector, a driving enthusiast, or someone who appreciates automotive artistry, the 2025 TWR Supercat is an experience like no other. Thanks for watching Autosnap. Stay tuned for more updates on the world's most exciting cars.